The cabinet has given a resolution and instructed you to file a case and inquire against the Pakistani national for his alleged links with Assam. Could you elaborate on that?
Yesterday itself, on receiving the cabinet's directives, CID was instructed to file a case. Today morning, CID has filed a case. CID PS case number 5/2025 under sections 48, 152, 61, 197(1) of BNS 2023, read with section 13(1) of the UAP Act against Ali Tokir Sheikh and unknown others. The case has been registered and the investigation has begun.
Also, what would be the dimensions or how far it could lead?
It has been seen that till now that the activities of the said Ali Tokir Sheikh are prejudicial to national security. He has been making utterances and it seems that his activities hurt the broader spectrum of national security. So it has to be seen as to what exactly he has done, which is suspected already, and whether there are other people involved in the conspiracy with him. Who are these others? Are they within India, without India, within Assam, in the rest of India? So they will all be looked at, and nobody, and I repeat again, nobody, कोई भी भारत की अखंडता पे आँच नहीं आए, आँच नहीं आ सकती भारत की अखंडता पे। ये हमने सुदृढ़ निश्चय लिया है और सीआईडी अपने केस को ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ाएगी। 197(1) BNS read with section 13(1) of UAP Act against Ali Tokir Sheikh and unknown others. তদন্ত যেনেকে CID process হয়, legal process হয়, তেনেকে তদন্ত আগ বাড়িব। It has been seen that the said Ali Tokir Sheikhor jitu utterances ase or jitu behavior and activities ase, they are prejudicial to national security. So national security teobilakor activity ki how prabhav porise itu sabole plus tekhetor logot jodi conspiracy kunba jorito ase ba dekhot ba dekhor bhairot okhomot ba baki bharat dekhot jodi kunba manu hijanor logot jorito ase and they have conspired against the nation and national security, nobody will be spared. Thank you. Jai Hind.